of you. I am going to teach you about the topic chloroplast. What is chloroplast? Chloroplast is an important plant organelle which is found mostly in the case of eukaryotic cells. And the chloroplast was first suggested by a Russian biologist Constantine in the year 1905. What is the meaning of chloroplast? The word chloroplast is derived from the Greek word chloros, meaning green, and plastos, meaning one who forms. Hence, chloroplast is defined as the structure which is involved in the formation of plastids. And chloroplasts are the important organelles which are involved in the important process photosynthesis in green plants. So, chloroplast is an organelle that contains the photosynthetic pigments that captures the sunlight and converts it into useful energy, releasing oxygen and water. The size of the chloroplast vary from 2 to 10 micrometer in length, and the shape varies from discoid, oval, ovoidal, spherical, etc. So you can see clearly in the diagram the structure of the chloroplast, which is well defined. Coming to the structure of the chloroplast, each chloroplast is surrounded by a double membrane envelope. The outer membrane is permeable to many small ions, and the inner membrane is less permeable and has the capacity to transport proteins which are embedded within it. And within the two membranes is an intermembrane space which is 10 to 20 nanometers wide, and it is the space filled with fluid. The main important components present within the chloroplast are the stroma and the grana. The stroma is a fluid-filled matrix, and it is this region which is very important because the light-independent stage of photosynthesis occurs within this region, because the enzymes involved in the photosynthetic region is present within this site. And other than the enzymes, it also contains DNA, starch grains, oil droplets, ribosomes, etc. And the stroma lamellae are seen interconnecting the grana. About grana, around 10 to 20 stacks of thylakoids form one grana. And these thylakoids contain photosynthetic units which are called mainly as the pigment molecules. The pigment molecules include the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, xanthophyll and carotene. What is a quantosome? Quantosome is called as one photosynthetic unit which consists of about 200 to 300 pigment molecules. And the main pigment molecules present are said to be chlorophyll A and B, which are involved in photosynthesis. And these pigment molecules can absorb only certain wavelengths of light. And the visible solar spectrum is only absorbed by the pigment molecules. And the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis takes place within these thylakoids. The pigments are arranged in clusters which are called as the photosystems, and these photosystems are present within the thylakoid membranes which form distinct chlorophyll complexes. About the photosystems, there are two photosystems which are present within these thylakoids, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, which is differentiated by the presence of the reaction center molecule which is called as P700 photosystem 1 and P680 photosystem 2, and this name is given because this photosystem 1, the reaction center molecule can absorb only 700 nanometers of wavelength of light, and the other one can absorb the red light, which is 680 nanometers. And you can see clearly the structure of the photosystems which are located within the thylakoids. And you can see the absorption spectrum of the chlorophyll pigments. What is an absorption spectrum? The absorption spectrum is the graphical representation of the absorption of light by the different plant pigments. You can see very clearly the graph shows that chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B and the carotenoids, the absorption of light varies, which gives clearly the peaks. And the accent spectrum is said to be the pigments and which are involved in the absorption of light and their effectiveness on photosynthesis. This action spectrum and absorption spectrum are the two important phenomena which are involved and which define the photosynthetic rate or efficiency of the grain plants. And what is the function of the chloroplast? So, the main function of chloroplast is said to be photosynthesis, and the rate of photosynthesis varies depending upon the components present in it or within the thylakoids, mainly the pigments, and also it depends upon the pigments chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. So, as a conclusion, I have told you briefly about the structure of the chloroplast and the functions of the chloroplast, mainly how the chloroplast is an organelle which is involved in the plant metabolic process which is called as photosynthesis. Thank you.